Hi, this is a short tutorial on how to reduce technical debt to speed up your org. So the first thing is, how do you measure that? I've done it by simple screen recordings in the sandbox, right, before and after when I delete stuff out, right? Because in the sandbox, it'll be a little bit slower than in production, but that's how you measure it, you know. Eliminate a custom object, eliminate so many fields. On the convert, measure the time. And you'll have an estimate times 600 users or times 3,000 users, how much you're going to speed up the org by reducing technical debt. So, first thing, and you're only as good as your tools. So, the tool I like to use in a sandbox or in production, you don't have to buy it, it's called Catalyst. Catalyst from Elements.cloud. And what it shows you is, it'll show you with absolute certainty how many Apex classes, how many Apex triggers, how many custom objects, how many dashboards, how many lightning pages, how many managed packages, and what that managed packages have, right? So you know where to dig. Like I was dealing with Kugaman. It had 17% of the triggers and something, I don't know, 20% of the Apex classes, right? And it was slowing down the org. That's the big problem because everything triggers as you get down. Every Apex class, Apex trigger goes. So what does this give you? This gives you this. It'll give you a full flow of where what is used, right? And down below I'll show you a link to where to install it, where to find it. And then the other thing is get Magic Mover for uninstalling an old package. And that's this thing here, right? Magic Mover is a pain to install. Why? Because you need like 2 special permission sets in the community. And the thing is, it's slow. But it allows you to change everything from scan.pdf to files which are totally searchable, and thus you don't have to have a fancy structure. Everything's SOX compliant. You can search for everything in contracts, etc. Right? And then lastly, create a custom object, complete lookup fields before you uninstall the package, and then do data load fields, right? So that you know you have 100% replication. And that's it. The links are below. So first, Catalyst. Second, custom object with lookup fields and data fields. Then the Magic Mover, right? To change everything from attachments to files, which are 100% searchable. And then the real work begins. And in 2019, one of the new button where a field is used. It's in the setup. Thank you so much. Have a great day.